Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to create a source on OBS. So once you're in OBS here, on the bottom here, there is scenes and there's sources, and then there's scenes transitions. Right now we're just focusing on sources. So scene, just imagine this like a folder, okay? And then these are your files, okay? So your folder is whatever it is. So it's my starting soon screen here, right? But I mean, realistically, I'm just using it for my web. So I'm just gonna rename this to just like PC, okay? And then this is my left screen, so I named it this. But you hit this plus sign here to add source, and you can add these sources here. One of them is display capture, which I'm showing you my right monitor. So if I click on it right here, it's going to show capture method. So you can change it to automatic or this or this. I usually choose it to whatever you're on, and then the display is whichever monitor you want. So if you want the left monitor, you can go there. I was watching a documentary. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So then I go to the other screen, and then it shows the OBS here. And then you can also have it capture your mouse. Hit capture cursor or not, so it won't show. And then you get okay. But that's just one of the sources. You can add browser source. So if you want to add if you want to add some kind of URL that has like something like Stream Elements has a lot of different browser sources here, URLs that you can add here and like add an image or anything here. But yeah, so this is how you add a source on OBS. If there's any other questions that you have, put it in the comment section. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.